Hi, welcome to the Drawing Board. Join us for 435's Tasty Tuesday this June 14th from 11 to 4 p.m. We will be featuring 5 fantastic entrees, including our grilled traditional chicken wings, our house-made potato gnocchis with bacon, fresh sage, shiitake mushrooms, and the Parmesan fondue. We also have a locally sourced kale salad, and lastly our fabulous chicken club with grilled chicken, cherry bacon, and our garlic aioli. We'll also be featuring our bread pudding with our Rieger whiskey sauce. We'll also be featuring 4 fantastic drinks, including our KC Sour, the Gold Rush, our Hugo Margarita, and the Gose Fizz. We look forward to seeing you June 14th at the Drawing Board.